In this video tutorial, we will briefly discuss how to install Anaconda Navigator on Windows operating system. Let's begin the installation process by going to www.anaconda.com/product/individual. So the www.anaconda.com/product/individual, the website will look something similar to this. It may be updated from time to time, as far as the look and the feel. But in general, it will have the download links for various installers like Windows, MacOS and Linux systems. Go ahead and download the graphical installer, 64-bit or 32-bit, depending on your computer. Basically, it is just a graphical installer, like a wizard, that will walk you through step by step on the installation process. For Windows user, click on this graphical installer and download it. For macOS user, click on this graphical installer and download it. For Linux user, click on this graphical installer and download it. Here, I have already downloaded 64-bit graphical installer for my Windows operating system. Double-click on the downloaded exe file and proceed the installation process. Once after installing, go ahead and launch the Anaconda Navigator. It will load up, and eventually you will see something that will look like this. This Anaconda Navigator allows you to launch different development environments. There is the Juypter Notebook, which is our main development environment. Now that you have Anaconda Navigator and Juypter Notebook installed, you should be able to create and run your Python scripts. Go ahead and launch the Juypter Notebook. Here, I will show you how to write simple Hello World Python script in Juypter Notebook. This is how you can execute your Python script in Juypter Notebook. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click like button. If you have any questions, drop your comments in comment section. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected for further updates on Who is She? Thank you.